Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to redirect a web page to a specified URL using JavaScript. Redirects are commonly used for navigation, authentication, and content updates. Let's get started. Redirecting in JavaScript can work in two ways. One that allows users to go back using the browser's back button, and another that prevents it, creating a seamless transition. This function takes a URL and an optional parameter. If aslink is true, it updates Windows location href. If false, it uses replace for a seamless transition. This function ensures a smooth navigation based on the user's needs, whether they want to allow the back button or enforce a hard redirect. This method offers flexibility. You can choose href for normal navigation or replace when you do not want users to return to the previous page. Redirects are widely used in authentication, marketing campaigns, and even error handling, making this a fundamental JavaScript concept. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to redirect users using JavaScript effectively. Try implementing this in your projects to improve user navigation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.